Next one, reduction. Two types of reductions are there. One is a partial reduction and one is a complete reduction. In sixth process, partial reduction by using lithium aluminum hydride or hydrogen in presence of copper chromite Cr2O4, copper chromite. In this process not used in lithium, so sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride cannot be used. Acetic acid, CH3COOH, acetic acid, reduced with lithium aluminum hydride, lithium aluminum hydride. It gives the hydrogen atom. CO group, C double bond O group can be converted into CH2. Acetic acid can be converted into alcohol, CH3, CH2OH plus H2O remove. The C double bond O group can be converted into CH2. So CH3, CH2OH. Acetic acid can be converted into ethyl alcohol. This is a process partial reduction of carboxylic acid. Partial reduction. Partially reduced by lithium aluminum hydride or hydrogen in presence of copper chromite. Copper chromite. This process sodium borohydride cannot be used because of sodium borohydride is the weakest reducing agent than the lithium aluminum hydride. Another one, complete reduction. React with hydrogen iodide in presence of red phosphorus. This process heated 473 Kelvin. 473 Kelvin. Acetic acid, CH3COOH, acetic acid, partially reduced with hydrogen iodide, Hi, in presence of red phosphorus, heated 473 Kelvin. The COO group can be converted to CH3. Is a powerful reducing agent. Complete reduction to hydrocarbon like ethane, CH3 plus I2 plus H2O, alkane. Carboxylic acid can be converted to alkane. It is a partial reduction, it is a complete reduction. Partial reduced to form of alcohol, completely reduced to form of alkane. It is a reduction of carboxylic acid. One is a partial reduction and one is a complete reduction. In partial reduction, it can be reduced to form of alcohol. In complete reduction, it can be reduced to form of hydrocarbons. Another one, decarboxylation by using sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. It is a what ratio? 3:1 ratio. 3 part of sodium hydroxide mixed with 1 part of calcium oxide known as a decarboxylating agent. Acetic acid, CH3COO or Na, sodium salt of acetic acid, sodium acetate, react with sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. The CH3 can be combined with hydrogen. So CH3H, CH4, methane plus Na2, Na2COOO, Na2CO3, Na2CO3, sodium carbonate can be removed. So methyl, it means called sodium acetate container, methyl can be converted to methane in less number of carbon. It is also formation of a hydrocarbon, less number of carbon. It is also formation of hydrocarbon but same number of carbon. Acetic acid contain how many carbon? 2 carbon. Ethane contain how many carbon? 2 carbon in same number of carbon. But in sodium acetate contain how many carbon? 2 carbon. But methane contain how many carbon? 1 carbon. 1 carbon can be lost as a gas. Sodium carbonate can be removed. It is a decarboxylation process. It is a general term process. Sodium formate can be converted to hydrogen gas. Sodium propionate can be converted to propane. Sodium propanate can be converted to butane. Sodium benzoate can be converted to benzene. It is a decarboxylation process. The carbon dioxide, Na2CO3 contain a carbon dioxide can be obtained from the carboxyl group, CH3COO carboxyl group. Next one, Kolb electrolytic reaction, electrolysis. Electrolysis process. What method? Kolb method. Kolb electrolytic process. 2 moles of sodium acetate, CH3C double bond O bond Na. Then another 1 moles CH3C double bond O bond Na. In electric current pass through the electrolyte solution, oxygen sodium metal bond break to form of CH3 bond C, double bond O, then O minus, then Na plus. Another one, CH3 bond C, double bond O, O minus, Na plus. Na plus, in sodium metal it becomes a positive charge. Electron deficient species. The electron deficient species gain of electron to form of a sodium metal. Electron deficient species gain of electron to form a sodium metal. Gain of electron means what process? Reduction process. Reduction process always takes place in what electrode? Cathode. Sodium metal deposits at the cathode. The reaction takes place at the cathode. Another one, oxygen O minus is a negative charge species. O minus and O minus. In the negative charge contain totally how many electron? 2 electron. One electron removed. Another one electron moved towards here. After migration of that electron, carbon bond break. That bond contains how many electron? 2 electron. One electron moved towards there. Another one electron moved towards here. In same process takes place in this species also. The negative charge contains 2 electron. One electron removed. That electron can be accepted by sodium metal to form a sodium. It's a gain of electron. Reduction process. Reduction process always takes place in what electrode? Cathode. So in this reaction takes place at the cathode. That negative charge contains how many electron? 2 electron. One electron removed. Another electron migrate towards here. Then carbon bond break. That bond contains how many electron? 2 electron. One electron moved towards here. Another electron moved towards there. Here 1 electrons are there. That position also contains 1 electrons are there. The 2 electron combine mutually share with each other to form of a CH3 CO2 can be removed. Gives CH3 bond CH3 plus CO2, 2 moles of CO2 removed plus 2 electrons are lost. In loss of electron. Loss of electron means oxidation process. Oxidation process always takes place at the anode. In this reaction takes place at the anode. That process takes place at the cathode. In reduction process and oxidation process, when electric current passes through electrolytic solution, that's why this reaction known as Kolb electrolytic reaction. In Kolb electrolytic reaction, preparation of ethane from the sodium acetate, hydrogen from the sodium formate. Sodium formate undergo electrolysis in Kolb electrolytic process to give the hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas removed. Another one is a react with ammonia, acetic acid, CH3COOH. React with ammonia, NH3. React with ammonia to form of ammonium acetate, CH3COONH4. Ammonium acetate. Ammonium acetate unstable. That compound heated in certain temperature. 2 hydrogen from the NH4, 1 oxygen from the COO, H2O removed to form of CH3CONH2 plus H2O. It is amide, amide. Carboxylic acid react with ammonia. Form of ammonium acetate. Acetic acid react with ammonia, ammonium acetate. Ammonium acetate again heated to form of acetamide. It is one of the process. Another one, phosphorus pentoxide reaction. 2 moles of acetic acid, CH3COOH. Another moles, CH3COOH. In presence of a powerful dehydrating agent, phosphorus pentoxide. It is a powerful dehydrating agent. Removal of water molecule in between the 2 molecules. Acetic acid. 2 molecules are there. So removal of water molecule in between the 2 molecules to form of CH3COO plus H2O removed. CH3COO CH3. Acetic anhydride. It is acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride and water molecules are formed. This process, intermolecular dehydration process. So 2 type of dehydration. One is a intermolecular dehydration, another one is a intramolecular dehydration. Intermolecular dehydration means the water molecule removed between the 2 molecules. Here 2 moles of acetic acid. in presence of phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus pentoxide powerful dehydrating agent. So removal of water molecule in between the two molecules of acetic acid to form of a acetic anhydride. In this process known as a intermolecular dehydration. Formic acid react with phosphorus pentoxide. Formic acid HCOH react with phosphorus pentoxide PCl5 or concentrated sulfuric acid. Hydrogen, one oxygen. So H2O plus carbon monoxide. Here water molecule can be removed from the one molecule of formic acid. That's why in this reaction intramolecular dehydration. This process intermolecular dehydration. In this process intramolecular dehydration process. Both reaction takes place in presence of phosphorus pentoxide only. In first equation, phosphorus pentoxide react with 2 moles of acetic acid to form of acetic anhydride. This process intermolecular dehydration process. Another one reaction, formic acid react with phosphorus pentoxide to form of water and carbon monoxide known as intramolecular dehydration. Both processes are dehydration. Here in this reaction intermolecular dehydration, in this process intramolecular dehydration. There is enough. Another one important reaction, name reaction HVZ, Hell-Volgal-Zielinski reaction. Hell-Volgal-Zielinski reaction. This reaction takes place in those carboxylic acid which contain alpha carbon having hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen can be replaced by chlorine or bromine in presence of red phosphorus to give alpha halo acid. Alpha halo acids. CH3 COOH acetic acid is a react with chlorine Cl2 in presence of red phosphorus and heating. It is a functional group. COOH group is a functional group. Nearest carbon alpha carbon. Alpha carbon having hydrogen replaced by chlorine. It means called HCG reaction, Hell-Volgal-Zielinski reaction. What is the important characteristic of this reaction means alpha hydroxy, alpha halo carboxylic acid can be prepared by using this process. It is a functional group. Nearest carbon alpha carbon having hydrogen replaced by chlorine gives Cl CH2 COOH chloroacetic acid plus or HCl removed plus HCl removed. It is a chloroacetic acid. Another one propanic acid CH3 CH2 COOH. It is a functional group. Nearest carbon alpha carbon having hydrogen alpha hydrogen. That propanic acid react with bromine Br2 in presence of red phosphorus or phosphorus tribromide or hydrogen bromide also can be used. So bromine or red phosphorus or phosphorus tribromide. Functional group nearest carbon alpha carbon having hydrogen replaced by bromine to give CH3 CH bond Br bond COOH plus HBr removed. It's a functional group. Nearest carbon alpha bromo propanic acid. Alpha halo acid can be prepared by using HCG reaction, Hell-Volgal-Zielinski reactions. Is especially for alpha carbon having hydrogen replaced by halogen to give alpha halo acids. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic. What is the meaning of electrophilic? Electrophilic. Electro means electron. Philic means attracting. Electron attracting group. Which group is electron attracting group? Electron deficient group known as electron attracting group. Electron deficient group of NO2 plus ion, Cl plus ion, SO3H plus ion, NO plus ion, Br plus ion, all positive charged particles are electrophilic substance, electron attracting group, electron loving group. That's why the carboxylic acid, especially benzoic acid, is easily react with electron attracting group like a nitrate mixer, halogen in presence of Lewis acid or sulfuric acid to form of a meta derivative of carboxylic acid, especially meta derivative of benzoic acid. Because of benzoic acid is deactivating towards the meta directing group. Benzoic acid deactivated towards the meta directing group, deactivated. C double bond O, bond OH. In the carbon electronegativity difference between the carbon oxygen bond higher. Electronegativity difference between the carbon oxygen bond higher. That bond break. Both one proton move towards the oxygen side. Then carbon valency can be satisfied by that bond break move towards here. Gives benzene. That carbon positive charge. Double bond CO minus bond OH. Then bond. It is unstable. Again, phosphorus species can be satisfied by migration of that bond. Gives benzene, positive charge, Y bond, double bond C, O minus bond OH. Again, the positive charge can be satisfied by migration of that bond. Gives benzene ring, positive charge in ortho position, by bond, then double bond CO minus bond OH. CO minus bond OH. In the electron deficient species of ortho position can be satisfied by migration of negative charge. That bond move towards the electropositive ortho position to give original compounds. Listen, ortho position electron deficient, para position also electron deficient. Then ortho position electron deficient. So ortho position electron deficient means meta position it become a electron rich site. Meta, that meta position, meta and meta positions are electron rich site. These benzoic acids are deactivated towards the meta directing group. What is the meaning of deactivated towards the meta directing group? Those group of COOH group. COOH group direct the incoming group to meta. Benzoic acid, COOH is a react with bromine Br2 in presence of Lewis acid FeBr3. In the Br2 dissociated to form of Br plus. Br plus is a electron deficient species is attack on the meta position to form of meta bromo benzoic acid. Meta bromo benzoic acid. The benzoic acid react with concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated nitric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. In this nitrate mixture, it gives the NO2 plus ion. NO2 plus ion is a electrophile. Br plus is a electrophile. This electrophile substitute in the place of electron rich site of meta. So meta nitrobenzoic acid. Another one, in the benzoic acid react with concentrated sulfuric acid only. Concentrated sulfuric acid undergo dissociate to form of SO3H plus ion. SO3H plus ion. SO3H plus ion is electrophile. NO2 plus ion is electrophile. Br plus ions also electrophile. That electrophile substitute in the place of meta to form of meta sulfobenzoic acid. It is a meta bromobenzoic acid, meta nitrobenzoic acid. It is a meta sulfobenzoic acid. These processes all are meta directing group takes place in meta position in electrophilic substitution reaction. The three processes are electrophilic substitution reaction. In the Br plus is electrophile, NO2 plus is electrophile, SO3H plus is electrophile. This electrophile substitute in the place of meta in hydrogen. Substitute in the place of hydrogen in meta position to form of meta bromobenzoic acid, meta nitrobenzoic acid, meta sulfobenzoic acid. The benzoic acid do not takes place Friedel-Crafts reaction because of is a deactivating towards the meta directing group. So meta directing group all are do not give Friedel type of reaction, Friedel-Crafts reactions. This reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction, electro means electron, attack on the electron rich site of meta to form of meta bromo, meta nitro, meta sulfobenzoic acid respectively. Next one, important one, reducing agent of formic acid. formic acid, reducing action of HCOH, reducing action of formic acid. Formic acid is a unique which contain both carboxyl group as well as aldehyde group. H bond C, double bond O, bond OH. H bond C, double bond O, bond OH. COH group, acid functional group. C double bond OH, it is a aldehyde functional group. Aldehyde. So especially formic acid which contain both carboxyl group as well as aldehyde group. That's why formic acid acts as a unique. Formic acid contain aldehyde group is the easily oxidized form of carbon dioxide in presence of oxidizing agent. That's why this formic acid acts as a reducing agent which reduce the tolerance reagent to silver mirror. Basic solution of blue precipitate of cupric ion can be reduced to form of cuprous oxide, black precipitate of cuprous oxide. The first one. In the formic acid of HCOO minus is react with silver plus ion in presence of OH minus ion. Silver plus OH minus is nothing but it is a tolerance reagent. Tolerance reagent means silver nitrate AgNO3 and ammonium hydroxide NH4OH gives silver oxide Ag2O, then ammonium nitrate NH4NO3 and carbon dioxide. Silver oxide contain a silver exhibit the plus one charge. So silver nitrate and ammonium hydroxide mixture known as a tolerance reagent. These mixture mixed together to form of silver oxide, ammonium nitrate and water. Silver oxide contains silver exhibit the plus charge. That plus charge can be used in this type of reaction. So formic acid react with silver plus in presence of OH minus to form of a silver metal plus CO3 2 minus ion and H2 remove. What is the oxygen of silver? Plus 1 charge, plus 1. What is the oxygen of silver mirror? 0. Plus 1 can be converted to 0. So oxidation number decreases. In this process, reduction process. Reduction. The process known as a reduction process. Next one. Formic acid contain a carbon exhibit the what oxygen state? Calculate. Hydrogen, oxygen state of hydrogen 1. Carbon oxide we are considered as a X. 2 oxygens are there. Each oxygen contain oxygen state of oxygen minus 2. So minus 2 totally minus 4 equal to total charge on the compound minus 1. So 1 plus, so X minus 3 which is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 3 minus 1 which is equal to 2. Formic acid contain a carbon exhibit the plus 2 oxygen state. Next one, carbonate. Carbon considered as a X. How many oxygens are there? 3 oxygen. Each oxygen exhibit the minus 2 charge. So 3 into 2 equal to minus 6 which is equal to total charge on the compound. So X which is equal to 6 minus 2, X is equal to then 4, X is equal to 4. So carbonate carbon exhibit the plus 4 oxygen state. Carboxylic carbon exhibit the plus 2 oxygen state. In this reaction, plus 2 can be converted to plus 4. Oxidation number increases. Oxidation process. Tolerance reagent act as a oxidizing agent. Next one, silver plus can be converted to silver 0. This process, reduction process. Reduction process. In the formic acid act as a reducing agent. So oxidation, reduction simultaneously takes place in single reaction known as a redox reaction. This reaction specific in the example of redox reaction. Another one, in the formate HCOO minus react with copper 2 plus. Copper 2 plus and OH minus. OH minus. OH minus is nothing but it is similar to sodium hydroxide. Copper 2 plus is a copper sulfate. Sodium hydroxide and copper sulfate is a mixture of filling solution. That means called a filling solution. 2 types of filling solutions are there. One is a filling A and one is a filling B. Filling A mixture of sodium hydroxide and copper sulfate. Filling B sodium potassium tartarate, that means called rock salt. So copper 2 plus ion can be reduced to form of a copper cuprous oxide and in then CO3 2 minus plus H2O. In the carbonate 2 minus and contain carbon exhibit the plus 4 oxygen state plus 4 oxygen state. In the formic acid contain carbon exhibit the plus 2 oxygen state plus 2 can be converted to plus 4. Oxidation number increases from plus 2 to plus 4. The process oxidation process. Next one, copper 2 plus oxidation state of copper sulfate, copper 2 plus. Next one, oxidation state of copper in cuprous oxide plus 1. Cuprous oxide contain copper exhibit the plus 1 oxidation state. Plus 2 can be converted to plus 1. Oxidation number decreases from plus 2 to plus 1 known as a reduction process. It is a reduction process, the oxidation process. Both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in a single reaction known as a redox reaction. In this reaction also is a specific example of redox reactions. Copper 2 plus can be converted to copper plus is a reduction process. Formic acid it is a reducing agent. Formic acid can be converted to carbonate ions. In this process, oxidation process, copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide, that means called filling solution act as a oxidizing agents. Formic acid reducing agent, filling solution act as a oxidizing agent. It is a chemical properties of carboxylic acids. Next one, test for carboxylic acid. 3 type of tests are there. One is aqueous solution of carboxylic acid turn blue litmus paper can be changed to red. It is important test for carboxylic acid. Another one, brisk effervescence reaction. Carboxylic acid react with sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate due to evolution of carbon dioxide. It is known as a brisk effervescence reaction, decarboxylation process also. Next one, fruitive odor of ethyl ethanoate ester can be obtained from carboxylic acid react with alcohol in presence of consonant sulfuric acid. In this process, sulfuric acid acts as a dehydrating agents. Is a test for carboxylic acid. Okay students, then read well. Today topic is over. The next topic we will discuss in next videos. Thank you.